Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize websites on Ecwid for online courses and tutorials business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started. Okay, so after you sign up, automatically it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. So after you sign up, it will take you here. Now, um, wait a few seconds. So you have to set up your website and storefront. So click on it. Now it will take you to the editor page. So go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates or the topic which you wanna use. So for the online courses and tutorials business, I think this one is the this is the one for you. So this one is for school or courses, online courses. So you can change something here if you want to change it. So you have to start with the header and the menu, go to the site logo and change. So you can change it for like image or as a text, whatever you like. Okay, so you have to change also the navigation menu. So you have to change uh, if some menu here match your business, you can keep it. Okay, and you of course you can change your you can add the menu item. So that's it. Now you can also add the contact information and the social profiles. And in the design, you can try your best to make your site look attractive, so anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and the size. So the simple details, this simple stuff is important to make your site looks better. Now let's move on to the next section, the cover and the headline. So you can add the tagline and you can add the title and the description. So for example, you can introduce the, the business to your customers. Welcome to our site. Welcome to our site for online courses and tutorials. Okay, so after this, if you want to change the image, you can change it just from the browser. Okay, so here you can choose one of these images here. So this depends on your business, so you can select whatever you like. For example, I'm gonna select just a random image. Okay, so um, I'm gonna choose this one here. um, I think I'm gonna change it like this. Okay, so now go to the design and change the layout, your favorite layout. Change the background, change the title, the colors. Okay, that's it. So the simple details, it's important, like I said, to make your site looks better. Now let's move on the next section. So here you have to manage your products. So you can manage it just from here, add your products or services. Now you can add the new products, and here you can manage your products. So you can add the products gallery, the name and the ref, the weight on kilogram, and the prices options, and also you can add the description of your product. So that's it. So if you don't need this section, you can just delete it. uh, that's it. After you're done, you can complete here the design of the background and the title and the product name and the product image and the product price. So now let's move on the next section. So as you see here, you can change this description here. You can talk about something about your company informations and your quality of your business. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services? Something like this. And its design, you can choose your favorite design. So that's it. Now let's move on. So here you can delete this section if you don't need it, if you don't want it. So, and if it's much your business, you can keep it. Also you can keep this description here if it's match your business. So now let's move on to the customer reviews. So you have to change this reviews here. You can add the review text and the author name and the image. So after this, go to the design and select your favorite design. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so here in this the cover of the image, you have to choose some. You have to choose the image that represents your websites, something like special like this one. Okay, you can change it. You can keep it if it's match your business. And in the layout, choose your favorite layout here. So here don't forget to add the tagline and the title and the description. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the contacts. Okay, so here the same thing as normal, change the description, and also you can add the business address. You can enter here your exact postal address or plus code. You can enter the daily hours of the work of your business, and of course you have to add the contact information and the social profiles. And in the design, I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. So as you see here, you can scroll to zoom your map, the location, so you can keep it just like this. You can keep your location just like this. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the last section, the footer section. So here you can just enter here your company name for the copyright. You can, if you want to just hide the footer, you can hide it from here. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Okay, so after this, before you publish your website, you can go to the preview, and you can see if something needs to change here. So you can verify if something needs to change. So after you verify, you can publish it. You can publish your website. So as you see here now, your site is published. You can start your business, and you can start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.